Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a really fun, kind of exciting. Okay, I'm gonna have to talk extra loud because I don't know if you can hear lawnmowers going on outside, but anyway. Today we are going to be doing my dog picks my makeup challenge, which is kind of, it's not like the newest challenge here on YouTube, but I saw Kathleen Lights post a video about this a couple months ago, but I haven't gone around to doing it until just now. Beautiful dog Maple that you see in almost every video just hanging out in the back picks my makeup. And the way that kind of happened was I just laid out 5 products of each category: primer, foundation, concealer, etc. And they were a good mix typically of drugstore and high-end, and I'm actually super stoked, and this was totally unintentional, that everything that she picked total was a mix exactly of high-end and drugstore. So there are 5 high-end products and 5 drugstore products or affordable products. So yeah, you're gonna see her kind of pick out the things. It was a little bit difficult at first, but for the most part it was really easy. She either like pointed at it literally with her paw, or like stomped on it, or like nudged it with her nose, or licked it. You'll see, it's kind of cute. But I mean, obviously this tag is just for fun. It's not something super serious, and it's just gonna be like a get ready with me using the products that she chose. And obviously it's a little bit stupid because it's like she doesn't really know what she's picking, but I just thought it was so cute that I decided to run with it. And yeah, if you want to see her pick out my makeup and watch me apply it to my face, then don't forget to please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I post, typically Wednesdays and Saturdays at 9 AM Pacific time. But let's go ahead and get on into it. Come here, pick one for mommy. Ah, you want this one? Okay, I just tested this out, if you guys saw in my last video, but she seemed to be lingering on this one. So time for foundation. Maple, come pick one. You're not done, come here. Oh, okay, you seem to really like that one. I'm gonna go with the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus in Golden Beige. This is one of my favorite foundations. Now for concealer. Come here. Come here, John. Come here. Oh, okay, she pawed the Kokie one. So we're gonna go with the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. These are highlighting concealers, not spot concealers. So yeah, some Catrice, Hard Candy, Cover FX, Laura Mercier, and Too Faced. Come pick one, baby. Come on, pick one. Oh, okay. Oh, she very aggressively picked the Laura Mercier. So that is what we were going. Bronzers. Which do you want? Okay, pick one. Do you want the Kiko one? Oh, you want the Catrice one? Okay, we're gonna go with the Catrice Sun Glow Matte Bronzing Powder. Lash. Yes, pick one. Come on, pick one. Which one do you want? Which one? Okay, she nudged the BareMinerals GenNude blush, so that is what we are going with. All right, pick a highlight. Come here, pick one. Pick one. Ooh, okay, she very aggressively picked the Ofra and NikkieTutorials Everglow collab. This array of eyeshadow palettes. Come here. Come pick one. Pick one. Okay, she wants a soft glam. So we're gonna go with the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. Oh, okay, she wants the Tarteist mascara because she was biting lips. Come here. Which one? Which one? Which one? Oh, okay, you want the Tarteist. Again, another Tarte product. This is the Quick Dry Lip Paint in the shade Bestie. It's a nude. Thank you. Setting sprays. Which one do you want? Okay, she keeps going back to this Milani Make It Last, and she just licked it. So we're going with the Milani Make It Last. All right, so I'm gonna start by pinning my baby hairs back. The primer that she chose, as you saw, was the ColourPop All-Star primer. I actually just tested this primer out in my last video that I posted. I did a whole demo and wear test on this and the ColourPop new setting spray. So go ahead and check that out. I'll link it down below if you haven't already for my full thoughts. But I'm just gonna massage this all on my face. For foundation, she also kept it pretty affordable and chose the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. This comes with a little spatula situation, so I'm just going to be painting some stripes on my face, like that. And I'm gonna do actually a little bit more than normal because I didn't ask her to pick a spot concealer. So yes. Just going to buff that in with my BH Cosmetics V11 brush. Alright, and then for concealer, she also kept it affordable. She kept it pretty affordable with the face products for the most part. I'm going to take the Kokie Cosmetics Be Bright Illuminating Concealer in the shade Medium Light. This has a nice peachy undertone, so it helps with canceling out dark circles. So I'm just going to put some underneath my eyes. And I also love this concealer because if I feel like my base, like my foundation, is a little bit too like yellow toned, this kind of counteracts it with the peachiness. So that's also a bonus. I'm going to blend this in with my Beige Cosmetics number 5 brush. I'm also going to drag this to my eyelids to kind of serve as eyeshadow primer as well, since we will be going in with eyeshadow. Alright, to set everything, I'm going to be taking the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. This is just like the OG like loose setting powder. Personally, it's like not everything and more. It's expensive for what it is. And I just found out it has a lot of parabens, so I haven't been using this powder a lot, but I thought it'd be fun to pull it out for this video anyway. I'm going to be setting underneath my eyes with the e.l.f. small tapered brush. I recently just got this and I love the shape for highlighting and also setting underneath my eyes. I think it's a perfect density. It's great. I'm just going to take that on my eyelids as well to set that primer. And then on the rest of the face, I'm going to be using the Eco Tools. I guess this is just like the large powder brush, my favorite for loose powder. I'm just gonna swirl this all over. Alrighty, now for bronzer, she chose the Catrice Sun Glow Matte Bronzing Powder. This is in the shade For Medium Skin. It's just a really nice warm bronzer. I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place tapered brush. It's a little bit larger than my other tapered brush. Just kind of go in. Going to also contour the nose really quickly a little bit with this same bronzer. Nothing too intense. I'm just gonna kind of define the edges. Okay, and then for blush, she chose the BareMinerals GenNude blush in the shade That Peach Though. It's a really nice kind of creamy, peachy blush. I'm just gonna be taking this on my Wet n Wild blush brush, my favorite blush brush ever, or one of them. Okay, and then for highlight, she chose the Ofra and NikkieTutorials collab in the shade Everglow. I'm just going to be popping this on my cheeks with my Beige Cosmetics fan brush, dipping into these light 2 shades. Going to go ahead and start on my eyes and do my eyebrows really quick, and then I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just used my e.l.f. brow pencil and my Essence Make Me brow. I didn't feel like I needed to have her pick this out because I honestly don't have that many eyebrow options, and they're all the same anyway, so yeah, this is what we're going with. And now let's get on to eyeshadow. She chose the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have a tutorial using this palette. I think it's like a Mother's Day glam, but this is a very beautiful like neutral pinky palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just start playing with stuff. I'm thinking I'm gonna do maybe like a mauvey pinky goldish look. We'll just see what's going on. But first things first, now that I'm a little bit closer, I'm going to go in with the shade Dusty Rose. I'm going to use this all over the eye / transition area with my Morphe M504. These do have a lot of kick up, so just air caution to that. Make sure you're tapping off your brush. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the shade Cypress Umber, and I'm just going to use this to accentuate my outer V. All over the lid, I'm going to take the shade Sultry. It's just this foiled shadow. And I'm going to pack this all over the lid with a flat shader brush. This is the best brush to apply shadows like this if you're not using your finger. I'm going to go back into the shade Dusty Rose, and with this Essence eye blending brush, I'm going to just kind of blend out the edges. And then once more with Cypress Umber, I'm going to take this on the outer edge. By the way, if you're wondering why this eye always looks darker than this eye, it's because I only have natural light coming in on my left side. I'm sorry about that. But that's why if it does look darker at times, not all the times, but if it does, that's why. Okay, and then since this palette has a black, I'm going to take the shade Noir. Noir? It's French for black, I know that. And I'm going to just stamp this really close to my upper lash line. This is definitely not a daytime look, but that's okay. All right, and then for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with the shade Glistening. I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone. All right, for the lower lash line, I'm going to take Cypress Umber again and just smoke that really close to the lash line. I don't want anything too harsh because it is the day and I'm planning on running errands, and that's all I'm going to do to the lower lash line just because I don't feel like blowing it out anymore. But yeah, that's it for the eyeshadow palette. For mascara, she chose the Tarteist lash paint. This is one of my favorite high-end mascaras ever, so I'm just going to curl my lashes. Alright, eyes are pretty much done. Now all that's left is lips and setting spray. So for lips, she chose, again, the Tarteist lip paint in Bestie. This is a quick dry lip paint, so not the original like moussey formula. This is one that's literally like liquid paint. Just going to pop that on my lips. My lips are like going through it right now, you guys. They're so dry, they're always peeling. Regardless of what lip balms I use, most expensive, I stay hydrated, I drink a lot of water, but man, this Vegas weather kicks my ass. Alright, and then last but not least for setting spray, she chose the Milani Make It Last, one of the best drugstore sprays ever. Alright everyone, and that completes this video. Thank you for hanging out and getting ready with me with products that my dog chose. I'm really proud of her for choosing half high-end and half drugstore. And yeah, I have lots of more fun video ideas coming. I want to do more challenge videos, so definitely let me know what you'd like to see next. I plan on doing more smoky eye tutorials. I'm actually going to be ordering a bunch of makeup I have saved up in a variety of my online shopping carts, so more tutorials will be coming your way soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have an amazing day wherever you are. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or if you just enjoyed Maple, because she's the bee's knees. I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.